everyone. It's great to see you all here for this really wonderful day of or morning of activities that we have planned for you. And I'm very excited to introduce the co-directors of the Center for Teaching and Learning, and they will be introducing more special guests. This is also the director of EdTech, in addition, Carlos Guevara, and Cynthia Jones, who's also an amazing teacher and lecturer of English. Thanks. Let's begin.
Thank you, Nicole, and everybody join me to thank Nicole for accepting the challenge to be our MC. She was a little hesitant, but you know, she's going to do a great job. She's already doing a great job. We are celebrating, I don't remember what edition of this year, but it's been a number of years when we started this idea of having a professional development day the day before the beginning of the semester. And the goal for this event was to make sure that we have an opportunity to come together, to have conversations, to share tips, to share ideas, how you're getting ready to start the semester. And with everybody contributed to make sure that we are energized, motivated, and then bring that motivation and energy to our students. We're very happy to see a good turnout. And we hope that this space, although virtual, we have identified a number of ways for us to interact and to have conversations on the topics that have been priority for years. This particular year, it's priority for the institution, retention, and we wanted to make sure that we, as we were planning with the members of the CTL Advisory Council, the theme for this event, we wanted to make sure we bring all of those conversations around retention, around belonging and inclusion. So without further ado, I want to welcome and introduce our president, Daisy Coco de Filippi, and to give us some welcoming remarks. Madam President.
Well, thank you. Muy buenos dias, colleagues and students. I thought the title was just wonderful, Day Zero, right? We begin a conversation today, those of you who teach and those who learn and those who advise about the students. I know there's a panel of students that you will be hearing from as well. I think it's just wonderful to hear from them and for them to hear from you. And to work together. The Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu once said, "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step." Myself, that every day I said, okay, here we go again. Another day, another journey, another opportunity. The same applies, as you all well know, to the teaching and learning process. As we embark on a new semester, the Center for Teaching and Learning, the Office of Academic Affairs, and our students have joined forces to engage us all in a fruitful discussion about meeting the challenges we'll encounter in the following weeks and months as the journey of the new year and new academic semester call on us to have thoughtful and caring conversations, preparations, teaching and learning opportunities for an almost, and I hesitate to say post-pandemic, almost post-pandemic. We still are struggling with some of that academic journey for learners and their teachers, advisors, and administrative supporters. Everyone at Hostos I know is committed to student success on campus and later in their world outside its doors. I hope today's event will be a great inspiration to all of us and give us some ideas, each one in our own way, of other ways to approach this very messy and very difficult business that it is to teach and to learn. So I wish you all the best, and I look forward to hearing about the great things our students accomplish this spring. I will stay for about a half hour more, and I hope you have patience with me, but the day is packed with meetings and things to do. But I thank you so very much for inviting me, and Carlos Guevara and Cynthia Jones, wonderful colleagues, and Nicole Wallenberg. Be encouraged. You brought in life and fresh air as you open this meeting. Thank you all so very much.
Thank you, Madam President, for your words and for your encouragement as we start the semester. And we want to also welcome our provost, Dr. Xianghui Wang, for welcoming remarks.
Thank you so much. Good morning, President Coco de Felippes and my dear colleagues. Welcome to the 2023 Day Zero event. And the spring semester will begin tomorrow. So we are so very excited to see new students and continuing students back to campus. Last Saturday, I was here to welcome our new students at the gym. It's a new student orientation put together by the First Year Experience Committee. We had about 140 students on campus. They were so excited. So I could feel the energy of those students, and I'm sure you will feel the same. So I'm really glad to be invited to this exciting event hosted by Center of Teaching and Learning. And this event will focus on inclusion, sense of belonging, and retention. Those are really, really important topics. Those are all critical components to ensure the success of our students. And the college priority, we want to improve retention, completion rates, and we will hear today from our faculties how they can tackle this goal together with the students. And I also want to extend my appreciation to Mr. Carlos Guevara and also Professor Cynthia Jones for leading the team in putting together today's program. And thank you also to the CTL, the Advisory Council member, faculty and staff volunteers for planning and organizing this event. And also the student panel, breakout session. Those are all very exciting and really energetic programs. So let's work together to create a welcoming and inclusive environment for all of our students to ensure their success and retention. So I can't wait to see all those wonderful faculty sharing your strategies and pedagogical practices with our community. Thank you, and I wish you had a great experience with today's program.